Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling your phone hotspot and configuring SSID and a secure password. Do this now so the TV can find it. Make sure mobile data is active and the phone has good signal because the TV needs steady throughput. Choose 4 GHz for reliable range or 5 GHz if you want faster streaming, and your VU TV supports it. This matters because band choice affects speed and interference. Once done, keep the hotspot screen visible to copy the exact SSID and password. You go to the VU TV settings, then Network, and choose Wi-Fi, scan for your hotspot SSID and select it. Enter the password carefully. Capitalization and symbols matter. After connecting, check network info to confirm the TV received an IP address. This verifies DHCP worked. If the TV shows limited connectivity, make sure mobile data is still active and that hotspot client limits aren't reached. Keep the phone within a few meters to avoid weak signal. Reposition if the signal icon. You should now test a streaming app or run a quick speed check on the VU TV to confirm performance. This proves the link is usable. If playback stutters or the TV won't connect, first toggle the hotspot off/on and forget the network on the TV before reconnecting. Also check the phone's power saving and data saver settings. These can block tethering. Finally, ensure your carrier hasn't capped tethering or hit a client limit. If so, adjust plan or reduce connected devices to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.